In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Jenkins. This process will seamlessly connect Jira, a powerful project management tool, with Jenkins, a leading automation server. Together, they can significantly enhance your development workflow by allowing you to monitor your builds and deployments directly from Jira. Let's dive right in. First, head to the left panel of your Jira interface and click on Apps. From there, you'll want to select Explore More Apps. This section is where you'll find the plugins and integrations available to enhance Jira's capabilities. Next, in the search bar, type in Jenkins for Jira Official, which is offered by Atlassian, the creators of Jira. Once you find it, hit the Install button to add this integration to your suite of apps. This integration acts as a bridge between Jira and Jenkins, allowing information to flow smoothly between the two platforms. After the installation process is completed, go back to your apps and open Jenkins for Jira. This will activate the integration and allow you to begin configuring the connection between the two systems. To connect your Jenkins server to Jira, you'll need to ensure a couple of things are in place. Firstly, you must have an active Jenkins server running. This is crucial because without a live server, the integration cannot function. If you're not the Jenkins admin, this might be the perfect time to involve them in the process. They have the necessary access and permissions to facilitate the setup. Once you have everything ready, click on the Continue button when prompted. This will take you to a new screen where you will be required to name your connection. Choose a name that makes sense to your team, as it will help in identifying this particular link between Jira and Jenkins in the future. Click on Next to move forward. At this point, you will need to decide who is setting up this server. You have two choices here, either a Jenkins admin from your team, or you, if you happen to be the administrator. Making the right choice here is vital, as administrators have the requisite permissions to configure the server properly and ensure that everything runs smoothly. Finally, you'll enter into a detailed set of instructions that will guide you through the completion of this connection process. It might be a bit lengthy, but it's important to follow each step accurately to ensure everything is set up correctly. Take your time and don't rush through these steps, as proper configuration is key to successfully integrating Jira with Jenkins. And there we have it. Integrating Jira with Jenkins isn't as daunting as it seems with these clear steps laid out. This integration is crucial for enhancing your project's efficiency by bringing essential build information from Jenkins right into your Jira environment. By following these easy steps, you'll have set up a powerful workflow between these two essential tools. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.